What up YouTube? Hope you're all doing well. Today I bring you a popular savory snack slash appetizer from Sri Lanka, and that is the fish patties. These consist of a spicy fish and potato filling encased in a short crust pastry, usually deep fried but just as great baked in the oven. I promise you, every bite is going to be an explosion of flavors. So without further ado, let's get cracking. For the filling, you will need 1 red onion, chopped, a couple of cloves of garlic, again finely chopped, 3 cardamom pods, a cinnamon stick, 2 green chilies, 3 medium-sized potatoes cut into very small cubes, a teaspoon of red chili flakes, a tin of jack mackerel, along with some salt and pepper to taste. Firstly, dice the potatoes into small cubes about ½ centimeter in width. Then, deep fry these until golden brown and set aside on a paper towel. Next, in a frying pan, heat up 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil and add in your onions, cinnamon sticks, along with your cardamom pods. Fry these until the onions soften and take on a light golden color. And then add in your chopped garlic and chilies. Once again, fry these off for about a minute or two. Next, add in your jack mackerel. Here I've taken out the bones and finely shredded the fish by hand. Give it a good stir. Seasoning it with salt and pepper to your taste. And once the jack mackerel takes on some color, add in your red chili flakes. Give it another stir for another minute. Then stir in the fried potatoes. Once you give this a good mix, your fish filling is ready. The reason why I use jack mackerel instead of tuna is because I find canned tuna too dry. Next, you will need short crust pastry. This can be from the store, or if you want it homemade, I'll link my recipe for this short crust pastry at the end of this video, as well in the description box below. Though the recipe is in Sinhala, English subtitles will be available. Roll out your pastry until about 3 mm thick, and using a cutter or whatever you have at home, here I have a bowl, cut out circles about 10 to 12 centimeters in diameter. Then, using a brush, coat the edge of the pastry with egg whites, like so. Afterwards, put about a tablespoon's worth of filling in the middle of the pastry and seal it like so. Initially seal down the edges with your fingers, and then use a fork like so to ensure the pastry is sealed, as well as giving that aesthetic look. Now all you have to do is either deep fry these beauties or pop them in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until the pastry becomes golden in color. Here the first 3 patties have been baked and the next ones have been fried. They may look slightly different, but taste wise they are equally as good. Hope you loved this recipe. Please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you've clicked on the bell icon to be notified whenever I put out a new recipe.